Well, look at that. Now, today we have a BONK coin standing strong or bouncing from that support that we'll be looking at right now, guys. And exactly as predicted, I told you guys that we probably now are forming a triangle on BONK coin. And is this gonna be the time where BONK coin gonna break out and we could see a rally? Now, you wanna stay tuned here, guys, because in this video we're gonna be doing some technical analysis on BONK coin and see what's going on here. So with no further ado, let's get into it, and as usual, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So here, guys, if we zoom in, we can see the moment of truth on BONK coin is upon us here. BONK coin is bouncing again from that support that now has been providing support now for the third time right now, and it's been around 40 days where a BONK coin is just going sideways. And so why is BONK coin bouncing? Now here, guys, recently we've seen a Bitcoin playing around and dumping since that Bitcoin ETF approval. We just seen those sell-offs going on, and this basically is caused by Grayscale selling their Bitcoin, and it seems like the selling hasn't stopped yet, but we did see a short squeeze or a bounce on Bitcoin, which was a 4% bounce. As we can see here, Bitcoin bounced from the 38,500 towards 40k, and now standing right at that 40k. It seems like maybe Bitcoin's gonna hold that line here for a while. We could see now Bitcoin holding above the 38k500, probably doing something like this. Now if this happens, this would be the best scenario here for BONK coin to break out. Now on the other hand, if we see that sell off ongoing on Bitcoin and this does not stop, we're gonna see lower prices on Bitcoin, and this means we could see BONK coin breaking below that support. But so far here, BONK coin is holding, which is a great sign here, guys, that we possibly now looking at the selling on the BONK coin side is probably now done with. The people that wanted to sell, the people that got trapped at the highs, probably now sold, and somewhat now BONK coin got rid of the sellers, which is a good thing. Now if we could still see some sort of a scare or a capitulation candle where it's gonna get the last sellers to get out before we see BONK coin probably going back into this previous support. Now this area here, guys, is gonna probably be a nice support or as well a resistance if we see BONK coin breaking below it. So this would be somewhere around here, guys, somewhere around that 0.9 or 10 level here on BONK coin. Remember this price here, guys, this probably gonna be a very important level in the future on BONK coin. It's either gonna stay a support or it's gonna turn into a resistance. But as soon as you see BONK coin back above it again, if we do see the breakdown, you want to be keeping an eye on these level here. If we see BONK coin getting back above it, this would mean a lot, and this could be very bullish in the future if we do see this happening. But not to get ahead of ourselves here, we're still seeing BONK coin holding this, and Bitcoin is still holding the line. Now Bitcoin as well, guys, for those that do not know, it's basically the crypto index that we all should be watching, because now as you can see, if it drops, everything else drops. And the main level here on Bitcoin that I would like to see reclaimed here for us here to start celebrating again, start looking at higher prices on meme coins and on altcoins, we need Bitcoin to break above that level here. So this is very important, around that 41,500 or 41,200. We need Bitcoin now to reclaim this level here. Now we need Bitcoin to come back here, guys, and hold, and then we could see higher prices here, and this would be that push that BONK coin needs as well to break out, guys, from these levels here. So that's what I am looking at right now here on BONK coin, guys. Now if you do have more questions, you can leave them in the comment section. You can as well join my Discord, link in the description. You can ask me any questions. It's free to join, guys. And as well, this video does not mean you should be buying BONK coin. Now this video is mainly directed to those that hold BONK coin or those that are curious about the prices or what BONK coin is doing. This is not a video telling you to buy BONK coin. This is just technical analysis on BONK coin. Now if you do not own any BONK coin, I do think the time to start dollar cost averaging in other projects that are still undervalued that I've been talking about. You can watch any of my previous videos. Those could be better options for now. And as usual, this is not financial advice, and I do share the coins that I'm getting into right now on my Discord, so don't forget to join here, guys. And we're gonna wrap it up here with BONK coin, and thank you again for tuning in here today, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.